Hello geometry students, today's learning target is to talk about scale factor and draw the new triangle. So if you look at problem number 3, we want to dilate this triangle with a scale factor of 3/2. This means that this is an enlargement because 3/2 is larger than 1. In contrast, if you look at problem number 4, the scale factor is 2/3. That number is smaller than 1, so this is a reduction. So in order to find the new points, you're going to take every point here and you're going to multiply by 3/2. So you're going to take the x and the y and you're going to multiply by 3/2. In problem number 4, you're going to take every x value and multiply by 2/3. So to find the new points, you're going to multiply by the scale factor. So let me show you how to do that on your calculator. So first I'll use the TI-84. So on the TI-84 you would say -1 times 3 divided by 2 for the x-coordinate. So that's -1.5, and then 5 times 3 divided by 2, and you'll get 7.5. So for point A, that was -1.5, 7.5, A prime. Now let's do that with the fraction 2/3, so -3, so I'm skipping over to number 4. So if I take my calculator and I say -3 times 2 divided by 3, I get -2, and the other point was 9, so I'll say 9 times 2 divided by 3, and I'll get 6. So A prime in problem number 4 is -2, 6. If you don't have a graphing calculator and you have the Desmos calculator, you would do the same thing. So you'd say for number 4, you could say -3. Let me show you. So -3 times 2 divided by 3, and hit enter. You get -2. Or you could say the other point, which was 9 times 2 divided by 3, and you get 6. So at this point, if you want to pause the screen and figure out all the other points, B prime, C prime, and then we'll continue. So these are the answers when I multiply number 3, every x and y value by 1.5 or 3/2. So now I'm going to plot the points. So -1, 7.5 is approximately, -1.5, 7.5 is approximately here in red, so I'll call that A prime. B prime is -4.5, -6, which looks like right there, I'll call that B prime. And then C prime is 3, -4.5, which is right there, I'll call that C prime. Then I'm going to get my straight edge out, or just do this by freehand, and connect the dots. So this is a dilation with a scale factor of 1.5. You can pause the screen and also do number 4, or you can watch. So -2, 6. So -2, 6. Here's A prime. B prime, -6, -4. Here's B prime. And C prime, 6, -2. There's C prime. And then I'm going to use a straight edge or freehand. So this is a dilation of 2/3. Notice it is a reduction.